Hey guys, this is midnightwolveshowll here. This is part 2 of the hunt. I just had the last part recorded. Dude, behind you. Just kidding. Oh. Oh! I'm calling bullcrap on it. I'm not looking behind us. That's the thing. Yeah. Oh, RT and LT sprints. I'm gonna use LT because, it's closer to what Call of Duty is. That's a spawner. I'm going the other way. Have fun dying. Okay, yeah, let's go this way then. Okay, we have to run away from it. We might die from it. Yeah, I know, they can run like 2 feet and then they're like out of breath. It's like, I need to take a break. It's been 2 feet. I'm not liking how this is going. Dude, you go first. You go first. You need to experience a close in death with it. Aw, it wasn't there? Crap. I wanted you to die of scarement. Oh, found him. Right there. The only reason I wasn't scared is because when I saw his arm, it didn't, make a bing! So I was like, oh, I found him. Oh, you're so dead. You do not want to know what happens when you look at him. He eats off your head. No, he, runs up to you like a stinking boss and then eats off your head. Just kidding. He just runs up to you. But I will be all alone and I will be scared. What's what? He's behind us. Bull crap, he's not. Like a boss, like a boss, like a boss. Okay. Oh, I like how I turned it off right when he said that. Oh, yeah, he is. Let's run. I don't know if I want to run that way. Let's go this way. Every videotape we get, the more flickering the light goes. Doesn't matter, we have to. Dude, the whispers are scaring me, No, it's kinda like... It was kinda like that. We've been in there, but whatevs. We can't go in that one room because of the stupid spawner. Whenever it's the last thing it is, okay? Oh, whoa. When you go around a corner and look around the corner and he's right there, that's when it's scary. I don't care. I'm going this way. That's a spawner. Let's go the other way. Alright, fine. Screw it. I'm not looking at the spawner, though. Oh, that scared me. I'm pretty sure we... Oh my! So lucky it didn't make that ding sound, otherwise I would scream. I'm gonna be playing this a lot now, just for the scare. What? I don't see him. Half my videos, like, are lights off and we're just, like, talking. Like, we keep on going in the same rooms because of that. We went through that spawner room, but there was nothing there. The people want us screaming, game. Get it? Huh, there's a person here and he looks pretty scary. Torture. Alright. Let's take a right. Because, you know, it's right. We've probably been in that room. Yeah. Hello? Anyone in the room? I hear whispers. You should probably say, stay in your hiding spot instead of come out and find us. Oh my! Ugh. Oh, he's in that corner now. That's what I would do, like, instantly as I see him, just cry in a corner. I'd be, like, running towards him and be like, smack him with my flashlight. Oh, the spawner. Just don't look at it. I am. Oh, that noise is driving my ear crazy. I wish. I don't know. I would hate to be in here. Yeah, actually turn into a ghost and, like, run around with the teammate. Hello? Anyone in here? Anyone in here? We could totally be friends. Right is always right, so let's go. So far, the right hasn't been proving us right. Neither have I. No recorder. Oh. Is he still there? We found out a way to avoid him. I just looked straight into a wall. I'm gonna just look in this corner if that's okay. Is he still there? Oh. I heard your scream. Whose scream was that? Was that yours? I hear a camera. I hear a video. Alright, let's go the other way. Oh, he's not there. I hate the music now. Here, dude, I'm gonna have to reset the video because it's on a thing. Alright, guys, that's all for today, so I'll see you in the next vid.